Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And here for the next couple of days, we'll be waiting on the big cold front to arrive. You can see the front well to our northwest this evening. We'll make some progress during the course of the next 24 hours. As it approaches, we'll see an increasing chance for some rain tomorrow. Thunderstorm also possible across the northwestern edge of the Arklatex tomorrow afternoon. And then this front will sweep through the area Friday, giving all of us a chance for that shower or thunderstorm, as we could see some locally heavy rain. And with this front coming through, can't totally rule out a severe thunderstorm or two. In the meantime, here's a look at temperatures ahead of the front as we're looking at lows, upper 50s, low 60s across the region. That includes 60 degrees for the low tonight in Texarkana, 61 degrees in Shreveport. Daytime highs tomorrow should recover back up into the mid-70s across much of the area. 75 in Shreveport, 76 in Natchitoches, 73 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Texarkana, where we will see a little bit more in terms of rain, perhaps a little bit cooler, upper 60s in places like Idabel, Dirks, Nashville, and DeQueen, with highs in the upper 60s. Now here's a look at timing of the possible rainfall with Robin Sawyer Futurecast. You can see tonight looking mostly cloudy across the region. We'll continue to see that breezy south to southeasterly wind. A few showers will be possible across the northern sections of the area late tonight, and that is where the main focus of any rain tomorrow will occur. You can see probably near and north of Interstate 30 is where we will have that chance for the scattered thunderstorm. Otherwise, a brief shower possible further to the south, and you can see those heavier downpours possible again just to the north of the Arklatex heading into Thursday evening. Going through Thursday night, again, the front begins to make some progress into the Arklatex by 7 a.m. Friday. It's right along Interstate 30, as you can see here. Notice the south winds ahead of the front, the north winds behind the front, and we will see some scattered thunderstorms begin to develop as the front moves south during the day Friday. The threat for these showers and thunderstorms will continue to spread to the south and east. And I really think that if we're going to have any severe weather in our area, it would be Friday and probably would be over East Texas, Northwest Louisiana. I'll show you the outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center here in a second. But again, probably basically near and south of Interstate 20 is where that risk may be highest for Friday. You can see by Friday evening, the storm's pretty much to our east. We will start Friday evening off cloudy, and we'll see those clouds begin to decrease as we go into Saturday morning and Friday night, I should say. As far as severe weather risk, Storm Prediction Center does indicate a marginal risk for the northwestern sections of the area. But again, as you just saw with Futurecast, probably on the northern part of this area, north of Interstate 30 is where that risk will be highest. And even then, it really doesn't look like we'll see much. And if we have any issues, probably would be wind. Heading into Friday, as the front moves south, that risk will also move to the south. Don't be surprised if this gets expanded to include more of northwest or northeast Louisiana as well as we get closer to Friday. Again, today's only Wednesday, so we will see more outlooks that will include what we might expect for Friday. And again, wind Friday probably would be the biggest severe weather issue if we have any. Rainfall, we could see some locally heavy rainfall amounts across the region, and that chance of seeing the heavier rains will be confined to the northern half of the area. Looking at a few spots, inch and a half will be possible in those areas of green. Further to the south, Futurecast kind of bearish on the rain, but I would suspect a good half an inch to an inch can be expected at most locations in northwest Louisiana and east Texas. Now, going longer range, you can see that the cause of the showers and thunderstorms Friday, that disturbance which is moving into the Four Corners by tomorrow evening, it sweeps across the middle of the country during the day Friday and Friday night. We'll see a couple days of nice weather, and then here comes another disturbance diving southward. That will give us a chance for some rain Tuesday, but it looks like it may get affected enough to the north that most of any rain associated with it, as far as the heavier rains, develop to our east. And then heading into Wednesday of next week, you can see another disturbance moving into the west coast. This will give us a couple of chances for some rain as we head through the Thanksgiving weekend. So all that said, here's a look at your 7-day forecast. It does show that we will see, again, mainly northern half the area, a thunderstorm or two tomorrow. All of us will have that risk for a few storms Friday. And again, I really do think if we're going to have any severe weather, it would be Friday. Highs both days, low to middle 70s. We cool off this weekend as sunshine returns, low 60s Saturday, mid 60s Sunday in Shreveport, 70s return for Monday, and then here comes that next disturbance. Right now, it looks like the heaviest rain with that disturbance will be to our east, and we'll continue with a slight chance of rain Wednesday. And you can see heading into Thanksgiving weekend, we cool off yet again, and likely will stay cool for most of the holiday weekend. In terms of Texarkana 7-day outlook, you will see again that chance for the thunderstorm tomorrow. Probably highest to the north of Texarkana. Friday, good shot for those thunderstorms, especially in the morning. Sunshine returns for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Another chance for some rain, maybe a thunderstorm Tuesday. And you can see you also flirting with 70 by Monday. Should cool back into the mid-50s for daytime highs by Wednesday of next week. So right now, all eyes on the cold front, which is expected to move through the Arklatex Friday, bringing with it the potential for some heavy rain and a strong thunderstorm or two across the region. But right now, any severe weather risk does look rather low.